following is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, 9th Canto, Chapter 4, Text number 48, given by His Holiness Gaura Govinda Swami, recorded on the 28th of May, 1992, in Gita Nagari, Pennsylvania.
Srimad Bhagavatam, the essence of all Vedic literature, last contribution of Srila Vyasadeva, and Prem Bhakti Tattva has been said in it. Jasyang Vaishriyamānayam Krishne Paramapurushe Bhaktirudpatiti Soka Moho Hoya. Only by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam, one can very easily develop Krishna Bhakti, fifth Purusartha, Krishna Prema Bhakti, as a result of which all his material fears, lamentations, delusions will be completely destroyed forever, only by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam. And this is Krishna Bhakti Rasa Swarup. It is the mellow of Krishna Bhakti. Srimad Bhagavata, Tati Veda Shastra iti Parama Mahatva, is the essence of all Veda Shastras. Bhagavata jena mane se javana samo, tar shastra ache janme janme prabhu. One who doesn't accept Srimad Bhagavatam is Mesa, Javan, is to be punished by Jamaraj life after life. This is what Srimad Bhagavatam glorification. Much are there, time is short. Therefore, before going, reading Srimad Bhagavatam, glorify Srimad Bhagavatam, because Krishna Tulya Bhagavata Vibhu Sarvastvaya, Prati Shloki, Prati Yukkhiri Nana, is as good as Krishna, is not a mere book, Grantha. If someone thinks like that, will commit offense. It is as good as Krishna himself, as Krishna is Vibhu, Supreme Lord, and all take shelter of Krishna. Similarly, we take shelter of Srimad Bhagavatam because it is also Vibhu, Supreme Lord. In every verse, in every word, in every letter, many, many meanings are there. So that is, every day we have this program, Bhagavad Path Pravachan, our revered spiritual master, Founder Acharya of ISKCON has done so. Very easy process. Only by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam from right source. Ja Bhagavata Pada Vaishnava Sthane. Go and approach a Vaishnava. Bhakta Bhagavata is an embodiment of Bhagavata. And hear Bhagavata from him, then you will get Krishna Bhakti. You may not do any other sadhana. Only by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam, you can develop such Krishna Bhakti. Parikshita Sravani. Parikshita Maharaj only heard. He had only 7 days' time. He only heard Srimad Bhagavatam from Sukadeva Goswami. He achieved the supreme perfection. And Srimad Bhagavatam is a shastra. Let us come to the text. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 9, Chapter 4, Text 48. Pragdishtam Vrityarakhyayam Purusena Mahatmana Dadaho Krityang Tang Chakram Yudhayimi Vapavako Pragdishtam Vrityarakhyayam Purusena Mahatmana Dadaho Krityang Tang Chakram Yudhayimi Vapavako. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. As fire in the forest immediately burns to ashes an angry snake, so by the previous order of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, his disc, the Sudarshan Chakra, immediately burned to ashes the created demon to protect the Lord's devotee. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. As a pure devotee, Maharaj Ambarish, although in such danger, didn't move an inch from his position, nor did he request the Supreme Personality of Godhead to give him protection. He was fixed in understanding, and it was certain that he was simply thinking of the Supreme Personality of Godhead in core of his heart. A devotee is never fearful of his death, for he meditates and the Supreme Personality of Godhead always, not for any material profit, but as his duty. The Lord, however, knows how to protect his devotee. As indicated by the words Prakdishtam, the Lord knew everything. Therefore, before anything happened, he had already arranged for his chakra to protect Maharaj Ambarisha. This protection is offered to a devotee even from the very beginning of his devotional service. Kaunteya pratijanihi name bhakta pranasyati. Bhagavad Gita 9:31. If one simply begins devotional service, he is immediately protected by the Supreme Personality of Godhead. This is also confirmed in Bhagavad Gita 18:66. Aham tvang sarvapapebhyo mukhishyami. Protection begins immediately. The Lord is so kind and merciful that he gives the devotee proper guidance and all protection. And thus the devotee very peacefully makes solid progress in Krishna consciousness without outward disturbances. A serpent may be very angry and ready to bite, but the furious snake is helpless when faced by blazing fire in the forest. Although an enemy of a devotee may be very strong, he is compared to an angry serpent before the fire of devotional service. This is Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Canto, chapter 4. The Ambarish Maharaj offended by Durvasha Muni. Ambarish Maharaj is a pure devotee of the Lord, who is always absorbed in thought of the Supreme Lord. Here, Srila Prabhupada has said in his purport, he is always thinking the Supreme Godhead in the core of his heart. And Prahlad Maharaj was doing that thing, Prahlad Smarani. Prahlad Maharaj always thinking of the Supreme Lord in the core of his heart, and he was protected protected from all sorts of dangers. His demoniac father, Hiranyakashipu, various ways tried to kill his son, who had become an enemy towards him because he spoke about Lord Narayana, Krishna. Demon became enemy, but couldn't. He was protected. This Ambarish Maharaj is pure devotee, and Durvasa Muni came, and this is the duty of a grihastha, is to do Atithi Seva. Atithi who comes without notice. The duty of the grihastha is that he should render all sorts of service, give him nice food, give him nice seat, all sorts of comforts, worship him, pay all respect. That is Atithi Seva, service of the guest, service rendered to the guest. That is duty of the grihastha. So as an ideal grihastha, Ambarish Maharaj also prepared to serve the Atithi, Durvasa Muni. And Durvasa Muni had appeared on the Dwadasi day. This is the day, Dwadasi, after Ekadasi. And there is fixed time for Parana. After Ekadasi fasting, Parana time was there. Within that time, one would do Parana. Parana means that we have given up in Ekadasi day the grains that we take. That is Parana. Otherwise, if someone doesn't do so, he cannot get the result of that brata. So time was there. So Ambarish Maharaj requested Durvasa Muni, you please go and finish your anniko, that means taking bath and offering prayer, etc. Please come, this is time of Parana. So I'll feed you. So he went to take bath, but there was some delay. Coming, that Parana time was there. This is going. It is going to pass. So he consulted with the Brahma Pandit And according to Shastra and the directions, instructions, Brahma, he only took some water. Taking some water is also not taking any food, as well as also taking some food. Therefore, he took some water. But Durvasa Muni was a great mystic. He could understand that Ambarish had taken some water and I am guest. So he disregarded me. He got angry. And Durvasa, that was his nature. Angry Muni. He gets angry in flimsy cases. So he was so angry that pulled out some hair from his head and created a demon. Very fearful, fierce-looking demon. Was prepared to burn to ashes this Ambarish Maharaj. But Ambarish Maharaj, being a pure devotee of the Lord, he was not afraid of it all. This is the topic here. As a fire in the forest immediately burns to ashes an angry snake, so by the previous order of Supreme Personality of Godhead, his disc, the Sudarshan Chakra, immediately burned to ashes this created demon to protect Lord's devotee. Because Lord's devotee is completely surrendered unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead, his lotus feet, protection is assured. Krishna Rakhyati iti Jagatraya Guru. Many places in Shastra, Sadhu, Shastra, Mahatma, they have said, Krishna Rakhyati iti Jagatraya Guru. Krishna, who is Guru of three worlds, he gives protection to his devotees. Kaunteya pratijanihi name bhakta pranasyati. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna has proclaimed this thing. Krishna has promised this thing through Arjuna. Arjuna, son of Kunti, you go out beating drum, you just proclaim. My devotee is never vanquished. I give protection. Yes. If Krishna promises something through his devotee, it couldn't be broken. It cannot be broken. Otherwise, if Krishna promises something, his pure devotee, and break it. Many instances are there. So, through Arjuna, he has proclaimed, he has promised that Kaunteya pratijanihi name bhakta pranasati. O Kunti Putra, son of Kunti, you go and proclaim this thing, that my devotee is never vanquished. He gives all his protection. And that is also there. One is completely surrendered. He is always protected. Tomar pratigya ei, sarna loibe jai, tare tumi udharibe nath. Bhakta says. And he has firm faith, belief in it. Druda Vishwas, unflinching faith. Utter Vishwas. That Krishna must give me protection. That is unflinching faith, question of faith. Shraddha, Vishwasa. Tahara Vishwasa. Avasya rakhibe tumi. You must protect me. That is unflinching faith. Therefore, here says, although in such danger, pure devotee Maharaj, although in such danger, didn't move an inch from his position. He was never disturbed. Because his fixed in his conviction, his faith. Yes, protection must be there. Because I have completely taken shelter at his lotus feet and he has promised it. Avasya rakhibe. That is what. And one should not be shaken from this faith. Otherwise, you will be put into danger. There will be no protection. If you have no complete faith, strong faith in this, there are 6 symptoms of this surrendered soul. Anukulyasya sankalpa, pratikulyasya varjanam, rakhistiti vishwaso, goptrutve varanam, tatha atmanikhepa karpanye, sarvida swaranagati. Isn't it? 6 symptoms. Anukulyasya sankalpa, pratikulyasya varjanam, rakhistiti vishwaso. The devotee accepts that thing which is favorable for his bhajan. This is anukulya sankalpa, pratikulya sabarjanam. Which is unfavorable for his bhajan, immediately rejects it. However dear it may be. Otherwise, your bhajan will be hampered. रखे स्थिति विश्वास, दिस इज व्हाट। अवश्य रखिबे कृष्ण, कृष्ण बिना रक्षा करता और क्यों ना, कृष्ण जी रक्षक और पालक हमार, दिस इज फेथ, दिस इज स्ट्रॉन्ग फेथ। कृष्ण मस्ट प्रोटेक्ट मी, कृष्ण इज ओनली प्रोटेक्टर, कृष्ण इज माई मेंटेनर, कृष्ण इज माई प्रोटेक्टर। Who maintains you? Hari Bhushan. Who maintains you? Huh? Bolo. Who maintains? Can't you say Krishna? How Hari Bhushan? Krishna maintains. Krishna Vishwambara, who maintains the whole universe. Isn't it? Krishna Vishwambara is maintains whole universe. Huh? Beginning from tiny ant to great Brahma, he maintains the world. Krishna is the Rakshaka or Palaka Amar. Krishna is my maintainer. Krishna is my protector. Nobody else. And devotee has firm faith in this question of faith. Vishwasa milai Krishna tarke bahudur, he said. If you have this firm faith, you'll get protection. You'll get maintenance. Everything. If you have doubt in it, do you understand? No faith. संशयात्मा विनश्यति, Gita, संशयात्मा विनश्यति. A doubtful person must perish. Yes, there should be no doubt, not tinge of doubt. This question of faith, therefore, rakhe sthiti vishwaso, that is said. Avasya, must protect me. Mahadanas have said, Shastra says, all say so. You should understand. Rakhe sthiti vishwaso means रक्षसिति हि मां कृष्णो भक्तानां बान्धवस्य क्षेमं विधास्यति इति जद विश्वासो अत्रैव गृह्यते। Isn't it? मुरली बाधक प्रभु, हाँ? रक्षसिति हि मां कृष्णो भक्तानां बान्धवस्य क्षेमं विधास्यति इति जद विश्वासो अत्रैव गृह्यते। Krishna must protect me because he is friend of the devotees, most intimate friend of the devotees. He must give me protection in all circumstances. He must make all sorts of good arrangements, auspicious arrangements for me. Jad vishwaso, this is the faith. This is the faith. Rakesh is the vishwaso. Parikshit Maharaj also said that thing. First canto you'll find. Tang upajatam prathijantu vipra ganga cha devi dhruta chittami se dijopasrusta kuhakastakya va dasta dasatturangayata visngatha. Parikshit Maharaj was cursed by Brahmachari. He had only 7 days' time. Takya, great serpent, come and bite him and to die. So he gave up all his kingdom, empire, everything, went down to Ganges and sat down on the bank of Ganges. You understand? So all Devarshis, Brahmarshis, Rajarshis, Maharshis, all sadhus, saints, Munis, Rishis, all came. Because he was such a king, great devotee. During his ruling, there was no scarcity of food grains, no revolutions, no disturbances, nothing. Even the sadhus, they are doing their bhajan peacefully. He's giving protection. Such a emperor gave up ruling, so all came. So he asked one question, what is my duty now? I have only 7 days' time. So many munis spoke many ways. At last Sukadeva Goswami came and said, you hear Srimad Bhagavatam. He heard Srimad Bhagavatam. Then by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam developed such bhakti, I say, jasyang vaisruyamanayam krishni paramapurusi bhakti rutpaditi punsa soka moho bhayapaha. Only by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam from the right source, the concentrated attention and full faith, one can develop such Krishna Bhakti. This is 50th Purusartha, Krishna Prem Bhakti. Thereby you'll free, completely free from all sorts of fears, lamentation, and delusions. So he became free from even the fear of death. She said that, Tang mopadatang prathijantu vipra gangacha devi dhutachuttamine mise vijopasrusta kuhakas takyakova dasatvalangayata vismunghatha. He said, you all assembled saints, sadhus, you please go on speaking glory about Krishna, the Supreme Lord, glorifying Him, chanting His holy name. I am fearless now. I have completely taken shelter of the lotus feet of that Supreme Personality of Godhead. I am taken shelter of this Ganga Devi, which is a manifestation of Krishna here. Let Kuhaka come, let Takshaka come, let them bite me as they like. I am not afraid of it. Even he is not afraid of it. He says in Bhagavad Gita, Pralayam no bethanti cho. The devotee is fixed. All is fixed. Pralayam no bethanti cho. Even annihilation comes. He never becomes disturbed. And this Ambarish Maharaj was suspect. So he is not disturbed at all. He is not disturbed at all. That is stated. Here also, Jamunacharya says, Nirasakasyapi no tavaddutta sahe mahesa hatum tavapada pankajam rusa nirastapi sisustanandhayo nadatu matus charanam jyasati. Do you understand? Murali Bhadak Prabhu? Why don't you come forward, sitting behind? Come up, please. This is question of reciprocation. It's not one-sided, otherwise it will never come out. Yes. One should have hungry. One should be very hungry for it. This is nectar. If you are not hungry, how can you release it? This is a question. Yes. This is the question. One should be hungry for it. Yes. How can you release it? It will never come out. Nirasakasyapi na tavadutsvahe mahesa hatum tavapada pankajam rusa nirastapi sisustamandayo nadatu matus charanam jihasati. Oh Lord, if you disappoint me, still I'll never be drifted away from your lotus feet. I'm clasping your lotus feet tightly. You may kick me, you may disappoint me, still I will never let it go away. I will not be drifted away from it. If the mother becomes angry and kicks her child, well, that child is talking to the breast of the mother. Be drifted away from the feet of her mother? No, not at all. Do you understand my language? Similarly, the devotees, so it's always, every moment, always constantly attached to the lotus feet of Krishna. He is never drifted out. Even for a moment he never leaves such a time. That he says. Last verse of Sikhyastava. Aslisam padaratang pinastuma odarsanad marmahatang karotiva. Jatha tatha va vidadhatu lampato mat prananathastu soivanapra. The same thing. Aslisam padaratang pinastu. Madasanat marmahatang karotuva. That lampata, that devotee, lampata. It says lampata. He may do as he likes. He may embrace me, or he may kick me. Do you understand? Do you understand? Madasanat marmahatang karotuva. He may not give me darshan. Disappoint me, whatever he may like. But Mat Prananath Hastusa. He is my Prananath. He is my Lord of the heart. Nobody else. I won't leave him at any circumstance. This is constantly clinging to the lotus. This like leech like tenacity, leech like tenacity. Never leave at all. যা দ্রৌপদী পরিত্রাণে যা গজেন্দ্র বক্ষণে মজ্জার্তে করুণামূর্তে সাতরা কোগতা হরে. Devotee says, "Oh Lord Hari, when Draupadi was tortured, persecuted in the assembly of Kurus, he offered prayer to you and you came hurriedly. When Gajendra was in danger, he offered prayer to you. You came hurriedly to give him protection. O Karunamurti, O embodiment of mercy, I am in danger. I am such a distress. I am offering prayer to you from the core of my heart. Why are you not coming hurriedly? Where is your hurry?" Devotee says like that. Do you understand? And hahanta chitta bhuvi me paramo sarayam madbhakti kalpalatika kankurita katham syat hridye kameva paramasvasanyamasti chaitanya nama kalayan kadapi sochya. Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad says, "Alas, alas, my heart is a barren land. It's like a barren land. Usar bhumi, hard block of stone. How the seed of bhakti creeper will be fructify in such hard, barren land? Huh? But I have only one hope. What is that? If someone utters name of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he will never be disappointed. He will never be disappointed. I have this hope. I have this faith. Because Chaitanya is Patita Pavana. He is Patita Pavana. He is the deliverer of the Patitas. I am the most degraded. I am the most degraded, most fallen, most sinful person. Who can give me protection? Who can shower mercy on such a fellow? Do you understand? Bhaktivinoda Thakur has written very nice prayer. Amita durjanati sada duracharo koti koti janme moro nahi ko uddharo ehe no doyalu keba এ জগতে আছে এমত পামর উদ্ধার রিয়ালোবে কাছে শুনিয়াছি শ্রী চৈতন্য পতিত পাবন অদন্ত্য পাতকি জনে করিলাম মোচন এমত দয়ার সিন্ধু কৃপা বিতরিয়া কবে উদ্ধারিবে মোরে শ্রীচরণ দিয়া এইবারও বুঝা যাবে করুণা তো মারো যদি এ পামর জনি করিবে উদ্ধার। Do you follow? মুরলী বাদক প্রভু আমি তো দুর্জন অতি সদা দুরাচার। I am most sinful person. I am a great durjon, rascal, scoundrel, most degraded. কোটি জন্মে মর নাহি কো উদ্ধার। In crores of lives I cannot be delivered. I am such a rascal. এহেন দয়ালু কে is there such merciful person in this material world who can deliver such a palmer like me? শুনিয়াছে, I have heard. Sri Chaitanya Patita Pavana. I have heard this thing. Chaitanya is Patita Pavana, deliverer of the most degraded, most fallen, Ananta Pataki Jani, unlimited, degraded, fallen persons he had delivered. Emoto doyar sindhu krupa vitoriya. Kobe uddharibe. Such a wonderfully merciful Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, wonderful mercy he had. They are sinned with mercy of ocean. When he will deliver me, giving one drop of mercy from that ocean. এইবার বুঝা দিবে করুণা তোমার যদি পামর জনই করিবে Almighty of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you are such merciful. This time it will be proved that you are really wonderfully merciful person if you deliver me such a palmer degraded. Do you understand? A devotee can say so because he has firm conviction, faith. Karma nahi, jnana nahi, Krishna bhakti nahi. তবে বলো কি রূপে ও শ্রীচরণ পাই ভরসা মারো মাত্র করুণা তো মারো অহেতু কি সে করুণা দেবের বিচার তুমি তো পবিত্র পদ আমি দুরাশয় কেমনে তোমার পদে পাইব আশ্রয় কান্দিয়া কান্দিয়া বলে এ পতিত ছাড়ো পতিত পাবন নাম প্রসিদ্ধ তোমার I have no qualification. Karma nahi, jnana nahi, Krishna bhakti nahi. I have no karma, no jnana, no Krishna bhakti. তবে বলো কি রূপে then how can I approach your lotus feet? I'm bereft of everything. No karma, no jnana, no bhakti. How can I approach your lotus feet? ভরসা আমার মাত্র করুণা তোমার only. I'm completely dependent on your mercy. And that mercy is causeless. Ahetuki. No cause is there. Vedas say, Devas say also that is ahetuki. তুমি তো পবিত্র পদ আমি দুরাশ্রয় কেমনে তোমার পদে পাইব You are most holy. I am most sinful. How can I approach, take shelter at your lotus feet? কান্দিয়া কান্দিয়া বলে এ পতিত ছাড় পতিত পাবন নাম প্রসিদ্ধ তোমার Only crying and crying and crying for your causeless mercy. I have this strong conviction and faith that you will deliver the most degraded and fallen. Only ahetuki bhakti. Only ahetuki bhakti. Krupa. Do you understand? Causeless mercy. One, we should pray for. We should cry for this causeless mercy. No other way is there. We have no qualifications. Karma nahi, jnana nahi, Krishna bhakti nahi. I have nothing, but you have everything. You are devotees. I am not a devotee, isn't it? Murali Badak Prabhu. Dinabandhuri dinamite patitanga hutsahe. ও যাদবেন্দ্র দীনবন্ধুরি দিনামতে পতিতং হুৎসায় ভক্তবৎসল প্রয়াতি শ্রুত্যা হৃদয় আশু কম্পতে ও যাদবেন্দ্র You understand Yadavendra? The chief of the Jadu dynasty of Krishna. You are Dinabandhu. Understand? Dinabandhu, you are friend of the Dina. Distressed. I have heard this name. Therefore, I get inspiration that I came. Yes, he is the friend of the distressed. I am most distressed person. So I came. But coming here to Gita Nagari, I heard, oh, he is Bhaktavatsala. Bhaktavatsala Tuya. He is Bhaktavatsala. He is very dear to his devotees. My heart now throbs, palpitates. What is that? Palpitating? The heart throbs because I am not a bhakta, I am no bhakti. I am Dina. How can I approach you? Do you understand? This is what. I have to only cry and cry and cry, nothing else. What can I do? You understand? This is so. Narada Pancharatra says, Nahi nasyanti tada bhakta prakruti prakrutela yotasya bhaktatmanang cha satatam smaranena cha. आयुर्वयो न हि भवत् कथं मूर्त भविष्यति न वासुदेव भक्तानां अशुभं विद्यते क्वचित् तेषां भक्त उत्तमानां च सततं स्मरणेन च सततं स्मरण always thinking, remembering. And Maharaj Ambarish was always remembering. Prahlad Smarani. Prahlad Maharaj always brings Smarana. That is it. Nahi nasyanti tad bhakta. Your bhaktas, oh Lord, never be vanquished. Satatam Smarana, they are always thinking of you. Always completely attached to your lotus feet. No Vasudeva Bhaktana Subham Vidyate Kochit. There is no inauspiciousness to the bhaktas of Vasudeva. Yes, this is our fate. Tesam Bhakta Uttamancha Sadatam Smarana. Uttama Bhakta, very elevated devotee, pure devotee, he always thinks of Manmana Bhava. That Krishna says. Think of me, keep me in your mind. Nothing there in Krishna's mind. Mind's activity is thinking. So think of me, keep me in your mind. That is Manmana. Mahaprabhu says, Aharnisa, Chinta Krishna Balahovadoni. Aharnisa, day and night, you think of Krishna and utter his name. Ki sayane, ki bhojane, ki vajagarane. All state, all condition. Day and night, 24 hours you think of Krishna. You utter name of Krishna. And the time, waking state, dreaming state, and sleeping state, even while taking a shot. Yes, don't forget Krishna. He's always thinking. He gets protection. This is our faith. And Ambarish Maharaj has firm faith. So he was never disturbed at all. Bhaktivinoda Thakur Mahajan also says, अवश्य रखिबे तुमी ताहार ए विश्वास. He says, तुमी तुम्हारी बेजारी के तारे राखिते पारे तब इच्छा बसो त्रिभुवन ब्रह्मादि देव गणी तब दासो गणन करे तब आज्ञारो पालन তুমি পরমেশ্বর পরম ব্রহ্ম পরাত্পর তব বাস ভকতন্তরে তুমি তো রখিবে জারি কে তারে মারিতে পারে সকল বিধির বিধি তুমি তোমার চরণে নাথ করিয়াছি প্রণিপাত ভকতি বিনোদ তব দাস বিপদ হইতে স্বামী অবশ্য তাহারে তুমি রখিবে তাহার বিশ্বাস. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, oh Lord, if you want to kill anybody, nobody can protect him. If you want to keep anybody, nobody can kill him. তুমি তো রখিবে যারে কে তারে মারিতে পারে? Nobody can. তোমার চরণে নাথ করিয়াছি প্রণিপাত. I am completely surrendered at your lotus feet. Taken shelter at lotus feet. Bhakti Vinod Tabadas. Bhakti Vinod is your eternal servant. বিপদ হইতে স্বামী অবশ্য তাহারে তুমি রখিবে তাহারও বিশ্বাস. I have this unflinching faith. Oh my master, oh my supreme Lord, you must protect me. All sorts of calamities and dangers. This is my Vishwas. This is my unflinching faith. And that faith Ambarish Maharaj had. Therefore, he was never disturbed. Narayana parasarve no kutaschana bibhyati surgapavarga narakesopi tulyartha darsina. Sixth canto. Those are Narayana para. They are completely taken shelter at the lotus feet of Lord Narayana. They are not afraid of any situation. Any situation, even complete annihilation comes, they are not disturbed. Swarga, Apavarga, Narake, Sobi, Tulyarthadas. If they will be in Swarga, even planet, or Narka, Narapavarga, it is Vaikuntha. Therefore, it's equal for devotee. So he is never afraid of any. And Sudarsana Chakra, protects always, give protection. So let us offer our prayer, that Sudarshan Chakra. Now time, finish. And use water. Sudarshana Mahajwala. Bolo. Kuti Surya Samaprabho. Ajnanati Mirandhanam. Vaikuntabdha Pradarshaka. Namaste Nitya Vilasat. Vaishnavastra Niketana. Avarjavyam Jadrupam. Vishnustat Pranamami Aham. This is prayer to Vaishnavastra, the disc of Lord Vishnu, Sudarshana Chakra. And that Sudarshan Chakra always protects the devotee. Now, the Sudarshan Chakra is there. So protect that Sudarshan Chakra is now calm. Koti Surya Samaprabha. These crores of suns, the effulgence coming. Crores of suns, such burning now come. Protection is there. Thank you.